Hey guys, another day, another adventure. I am going to Stodmarsh Nature Reserve, and the reason why I'm going there is to see turtle doves. Now, it looks a bit trickier than expected to get there because there are no walkways for pedestrians here. So I'm just a tad bit confused about the situation. But hopefully I'll get there safe and sound and see some nice birds, especially the turtle doves. Getting here is not difficult. Take a coach from London Victoria, journey about 2 hours and 40 minutes to Canterbury, and then a local bus from Canterbury will take you here in about 25 minutes. So now it's just the question of getting there without being hit by a car. Fingers crossed. I haven't realized when I came that this bit just before the Grove Ferry picnic or Grove Ferry Inn is hilly. So it is actually, which makes it extremely difficult to walk up after so much walking. Christ's sake. Well, on the positive, I don't know if there's anything positive. Anyway, Grove Ferry. Okay, so we crossed the rail tracks, and then where are we exactly? Oh, nice. Okay. I suppose I found the entrance through the kissing gate, and then I'm not too sure what's down there. Ah, there's the one. Well, no sign of the turtle doves, or at least so far. But I've met a couple and they said that they've seen the kingfisher from the first hide. So hopefully I'll be about as lucky as they were to at least see a kingfisher. Another hide looking structure. Let's have a look what this is. This is a hide. It says that David faced hide.
You got to follow their itinerary.
Well, Saturday when I left, we picked us up at around half hour an hour, and we got to the hotel at 10 o'clock that night.
Okay, cool. Very windy today. You can't really see a whole lot because all this vegetation is just overgrown. If there's any stream or little pond, you won't see them. I understand the purple heron has been seen today. A kingfisher. Nothing much more. Oh, that's interesting. Grazing stock. And there's a marsh hide somewhere. Let's have a look. I'll show a little bit more of the side stream. The soil is so dry, it's cracked all over. But where is the hide? May I ask? This one. Seeing some goldfinches. Seeing some juvenile goldfinches. Bloody hell, the hide is still a long way. Oh, finally I found a way to the marsh hide. I actually went back to the David faced hide and asked one of the guys how to get there. So I've just literally missed the gate and turned to left instead of going straight. Annoying. Wasted time. No public right of way. Oh, there's the hide. Hiya. Much at the, what's it called? Marsh hide. I am told that the sandpipers have been seen today at the reed wet hide and the marsh area. So, as the next challenge to find that one. And that's another tricky bit of the reserve to find. So go right and left. And I am supposed to find some bench. You would think that this path is quite flat and smooth to walk, but it actually isn't. It's full of ups and downs. And I am yet to find the bloody reed battery. The scenic walk, but at the moment I'm not particularly interested in the scenery. I'm interested in seeing some interesting birds. I just need to understand I just need to understand how to get to the hide. Oh, another bench. No public right of way. There's bench. And then what does this say? Nature trail, car park, River Tide. And the lake tower hide as well. Okay, cool. Nature trail, River Tide. River Tide straight or left? Quite interesting. Looks like this bit of the reserve is a bit better maintained than the other one. I wonder it's because this is meant to be the main part and the area where I entered is just like the secondary. I don't know. I just need to find this hide now. I think I'm getting close. Oh, just a robin. Usual. Read that hide. Cool. It's a long walk from the marsh side. Say probably 15-20 minutes easily.